This unit here started live as a water tank in the loft. We've changed the heating system and we don't need it anymore, so I thought to make use of it as a water storage container. As you can see, it had several holes in it, which I've put some 22mm piping to close the holes. At the front I've put a tap so we can get water from it. Also there's a couple of holes at the top which I've plugged up as well. I've put it on a few bricks so it's elevated so I can get the water out of it quite easily. Now this has a lid which is quite convenient. You can actually look into it and lift it up. So there you go, there's some water in there and it keeps it, you know, quite clean. So I've done a bit of pipe work. As you can see, 22mm bits and bobs that were spare from plumbing operations. Goes across the greenhouse, and I put some guttering on the greenhouse so it collects the water from the roof of the greenhouse and it goes across the pipe and down into the water container. The container holds 50 gallons. That's approximately 227 litres of water. So, you know, it helps with the watering system as well, so we don't waste too much water.